Guys, this is Peter, not your average guy. I'm on Cyprus again with my bodyguard Martin. This has never been done before. And I'm on a mission to document Varosha. I found an empty building.
Warning, aircraft battery at 17%.
And Varosha is over there. There is something Turkish out here. There's a Turkish flag. There's a soldier watching.
There is no sign on our side that says filming and flying is not allowed. It is not breaking any law.
The idea is, if I fly high enough, they won't be able to hear it. From this door, I have a perfect view. The only thing is I need to find a chair. This is a perfect chair.
Any last words before you are getting arrested?
I've been struggling, like, how am I gonna do this? If you do it manual, then you can always see like what's going on, how it's going, and you can adjust to the situation.
Warning, signal lost.
But you're struggling with the signal. Signal is lost. It's 5.2 kilometers, and now I lose my signal. And if the signal is lost, then the aircraft will hover. I'm not able to get the signal back. That's a bad situation because then it might easier be spotted than when it's just quickly going and passing by. But I will get back in any second unless they shut my drone down.
First of all, I don't know how many of you realize just how dangerous this was for people to do.
Yeah, we do hear an airplane. I'm gonna have a look.
A helicopter or something.
I cannot hear it anymore. Martin is trying to make fun of me all the time.
There's a patrol behind the UN building.
A patrol.
Yeah, motorcycle.
There was a soldier out there. This is amazing, and the sun is exactly on this spot right now. It did not record anything.
Can you go up?
No, it's not live. No, it's not live. I cannot go back. I can go back. I can go back. I am right now like this, filming houses that have not been seen for 44 years.
But Mr. Peter, we don't have any more tips.
It's very dark, it's like sinister.
We are more angry than ready to cry.
It's a little bit spooky like this.
It is.